What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay Seals, and today I'm just going to be giving a quick update on 3 different prop firms. We'll start with Apex, then we'll move to My Funded Futures, and then lastly, we'll go to Topstep. So let's get right into it. On Apex, their 80% off sale is almost over with. It ends on Tuesday, August 27th at 11:59. So if you haven't taken advantage of the sale, make sure that you do. I know a lot of people were waiting for that 80 or 90% off sale. They've spiced up this sale a little bit, but it ends tomorrow, basically at midnight. So make sure that you guys are taking advantage of this. They also have a deal going on for the larger PA accounts or eval accounts, the 150K, 250K, and 350K. They've lowered the price to $250 for each one of those. And then on top of that, you get the 80% off. So if you want a larger account, now's a good time to do it before the sale ends. On top of that, it's $40 resets. Doesn't matter if you're using Tradeovate or Rhythmic. You got that. Then you have 1-day pass is still going on. But then probably what's sweet in the pot for Apex is this $85 lifetime PA fees. And that's for all of their accounts, regardless of what size it is. But what you have to know about this is it ends on August 28th. And that is just for the 50K up to the 100K accounts. So all their accounts are $85 lifetime PA once you pass. So if you've already passed your account, make sure that you get this deal and go ahead and pay that $85, because after 8/28, that deal ends and you're going to be stuck with paying the full price. If you have the 150K, 250K, or 350K, then you have a little bit more time. That deal for the lifetime PA, that ends September 15th. So you have a little bit more time if you are on the larger accounts. But now that we have Apex out of the way, let's move on to the My Funded Future news. My Funded Future has Volmetrica trading web platform. Basically what that means is that they've added Quantower, ATAS, Volbook, and VolSys to their brokers that you can use to trade with or trading platforms. I've only heard of Quantower and ATAS because of their footprint charts. I've never heard of Volbook or VolSys, but if you use them before, now you can trade them on My Funded Futures. On top of that, they're also giving out a free reset on your first purchase of these new platforms because they're offering the DX feed. So when you get the DX feed with these platforms, you get a free reset. And this offer is standing until the last day of the month. So it's something that you don't want to miss out on if you are trading with My Funded Futures. And lastly, we've got to get into probably the biggest news, which is the new Topstep news. I've saved the best news for last. Topstep has gotten rid of their daily loss limit for all new Topstep X accounts. You can now set a personal daily loss limit. And I mean, I can't say anything better about Topstep other than the fact that they are truly listening to what the community is asking for. A lot of people did not like the daily loss limit. Yeah, the daily loss limit did not blow your account technically. It just sat you on the sidelines for the day. But with Topstep X, you can set a personal daily loss limit, which I think a lot of people were using anyway, that was lower than the original loss limit that they had set. So now they're like, hey, we'll give you guys the freedom to be able to, set whatever daily loss you want instead of us setting it for you. So if you want all of your drawdown in a day, you can have it. Or if you want to limit it, you can do that too. So it's giving you full control, more room to trade, and you can increase your risk as well, which is really nice. I mean, if you're in a 50K account and you didn't feel comfortable playing minis because you only had $1,000, now you have $2,000 with the drawdown. But this is only for Topstep X accounts and new ones. So if you're trading on an old Topstep X account, then just know that you're still going to be under the old rules. But once you get a reset or a new Express funded account, then you'll get the change. So, if you want to go ahead and just, blow your account just so you can get this, and that's cool. If not, then hey, just pass your account. And then once you get that new Express funded, then you won't be under the rules. And also, what I'm very excited for is the fact that they're trying to make this available for all platforms, not just for Topstep X. So once they start getting, Tradeovate and all the other platforms that they have, it's going to be really nice. I mean, they're really pushing the boundaries of these prop firms, and they're making the rest of prop firms have to change the game with how they're managing the traders that are trading them. If you guys like the prop firm updates, then please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. That way, I know you guys are liking the content and the updates that I'm giving you guys. And also, if you're interested in understanding how to use that new Topstep X platform, then I'll leave a video. You can watch it right over here.